We choose a market where we can have the potential to become the number one.
Every project will start with that one decisive action that defines how the rest of the journey will go. For you, what was the first strategic move in building a project, or specifically in building Lamboo?
For Lamboo, the point that we do is, I think there are two key criteria. The first one is about the market demand, and the second one is about the low initial effort to build an MVP or to build a product. So for the first one, like the market demand, think of Aptos, for example. Aptos has position as a global trading engine, and they have more than $1.3 billion in terms of stablecoin supply. And it has all the advantages that can help them to build a diversified on-chain trading experience with speed, with the low fees. And when we look at Aptos, we see that there are several projects like the factors already in the table, DEX aggregators, DeFi protocols, lending protocols, and many of them. But what I think Aptos is lacking at that moment is a one-stop trading hub that can guide the users. When they first enter Aptos, what if they want to trade tokens? They will come to Lamboo, for example, to trade and to swap. And Lamboo offer the users the lightning swaps, a fun slick UI, portfolio, copy trading, many other tools that can help them to onboard and to trade on-chain much better. And second thing is about the initial build effort. We have years of Web 2 and Web 3 experience in terms of like technology development. And with that results and with additional ones, we managed to build the MVP version of Lamboo Finance in just under 2 weeks. Luckily, I think is what the ecosystem is looking for. One more thing is that with the dedication, with the support from Alpha team, we managed to secure a grant and to bootstrap the idea and bootstrap the project. And I think that's exactly like a small move that unlocks everything, just like Pawn.
I totally agree with you that, builders should definitely focus on the market demand. That is what my boss always tell me. You have to sell what they need, not sell what you have. So yeah, totally agree with that. Okay, now that we move our pawns, people now usually can move what I choose here is to move my horse, right? You know that the knight is actually only piece that not move in the straight line, it move in L shape. So it's kind of like an unexpected move can completely change the flow of the game. So in your perspective, what was the knight move for Lamboo Finance, or like the knight move for building a project?
So I think there's something similar with the knights, the way it moves and the way that Lamboo Finance is entering the Aptos ecosystem. Before we choose Aptos or before we start building on Aptos, we look around the ecosystem. We will see what aspect or what category that we can do best, and we can be like the first mover. In that case, Aptos already has aggregators and many other DeFi protocols, DEX, as I mentioned before. And we think that in terms of trading terminal, we can be the first mover. And we can seize the opportunities and also the potential of the market of the on-chain trading on Aptos. So that also reflects the way that we choose a market. We choose a market where we can have the potential to become the number one. So I think in reality, we do exactly that. We build a protocol that can also leverage and co-build with other builders in the ecosystem, and also have the potential to become the first mover and like the winner in that category.